Visual inspection is an application that makes life easier when performing an end-of-line check, a product audit, or any other kind of visual inspection that requires manual checks. The product is virtually presented on a tablet to be inspected. The inspector can navigate to different views and mark defects with just a few tabs. The quality manager can review the issues on a dashboard and can forward them internally to get them solved. The quality manager also configures the products, like its possible views and defect locations, so it matches the company's needs. Log in to visual inspection. This is the dashboard of the administrator. Here we can switch between users using the user switcher in the navigation. Now we'll switch to the quality manager. The quality manager is responsible for configuring products to inspect and dealing with the tickets resulting from inspections. At the top of the page, the quality manager can navigate to configuring defects, location types, and products. In this overview of configured products, we can see the configuration of the E-Road XAM White. This is a sample Siemens electric sports car. A serial number or VN starting with the configured E-Rod prefix will be linked to this product for inspection. There are 4 views, each with multiple configured locations. Click Edit Product to change the product configuration. Click a product view to change its name, icon, or image. We do not wish to change these, so click Save and Edit Locations so we can set locations. This is the image for the front view of the E-Rod. Click on the left side mirror to add another location. Name it Left Mirror and select Paint as the location type, which will determine the list of possible defect types. We have now extended the product with another location. Click Continue to Product Views and Finish Product. Now we'll switch to the inspector. The inspector is responsible for conducting inspections on products. We land on the dashboard of the inspector. Here we can see ongoing inspections, which have been started but not finished by the inspector, as well as previous inspections, which are finished and are now available for review by the quality manager. Start a new inspection. In order to identify the product, we need to provide a serial number or VIN. This can be entered manually or scanned from a QR code. In this case, we enter the serial number E-Rod 12345 and confirm. This prompts us to start the inspection for the E-Rod XAM White. Start the inspection. The white dots on the view indicate possible locations to register issues, including the location we just created. The screen allows us to switch between the different views of the product and to register issues. To change views, use the arrow buttons at the side of the screen or the icons at the bottom of the screen. Keep the E-Rod left view open. Let's say during inspection we see a scratch on the left pillar. Click on the location of the pillar. We can create a new issue in the pop-up. The view and location are pre-filled. We select Scratch in the drop-down of defect types. Optionally, we can enter a comment. There is a long scratch. We add an image to the defect. In this case, we prepared an image, but on a mobile device, this feature could directly use the camera. Click Create Issue to finish creating the issue. The location is now marked orange and with the issue count at this location. Click E-Rod Right View and add an additional issue for the chair. Let's say the chair we see is white while it should be black instead. We select Wrong Color and add Chair Fabric should be black. Then click Finish the inspection. On this page, we can review all the different issues created for the different views. Select an issue to view the ticket. From this view, we can also edit and delete. Click Complete the inspection. The inspector gets a message confirming the inspection is finished and sent to the quality manager. Switch back to the quality manager. The left half of the dashboard of the quality manager shows several important indicators aggregating the inspections. The quality manager can view the state of the inspection, notable products based on found defects, and common defect types and defect locations. The right half of the dashboard shows the inspections for the quality manager to review, as well as closed inspections under the second tab. Click on the inspection we just finished at the top of the list to process the tickets. Open the eROD left view to view the ticket about the scratch on the pillar. We would like to assign this ticket. Click on Assign Task to assign this ticket. Enter the name, email, and due date, and then save. The ticket is now assigned and no longer counts as an open ticket. Open the eROD right view and open the ticket about the wrong colored chair. The quality manager determines the chair color is actually the desired color, so there is no issue. Click Close Ticket to close the ticket without assigning it. The inspection is now reviewed and there are no more open tickets. The Complete Inspection button is now available to finish the inspection review. The inspection is now visible in the Closed Inspections tab. This has been a demonstration of the features of Visual Inspection. The Visual Inspection app is a template that can be easily configured to any customer's or industry's requirements. This could include alternative products to inspect, as well as additional app features. I'll now demonstrate how fast a change can be made in the Visual Inspection app using Mendix by adding a link to an external resource to the navigation of the inspector. The inspector needs to be able to refer to additional work instructions when conducting inspections. This external link will guide the inspector to the company's learning portal. Switch to Studio Pro and open the navigation. This shows the configured navigation items for the inspector and quality manager. We'll be adding a new menu item to an external resource. One approach is to open a link from the navigation. However, this way the link will also appear in the navigation of the quality manager. We want to avoid this clutter and only provide the inspector with the menu item. Go to the Resources folder in the Inspection module and add a new nanoflow called nav_Open Mendix Academy. Go to the Properties and select only the Inspector as an allowed role. Insert a new activity in the nanoflow. Select Open URL and enter academy.mendix.com. And do not use the return variable. Now go back to navigation. Create a new menu item with the caption Instructions. Select the education icon and then click Call a nanoflow and select the nanoflow we just created. Let's move it between the user switcher and the logout button. Run the model again. Switch to the inspector and test the new button. We end up in the Mendix Academy, but could open up any external learning resource relevant for the inspector here.